Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you some of my top vegan baking recipes. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So I have a few favorite vegan baking recipes and I wanted to share them with you guys so that you can find them. My first, probably most favorite vegan recipe that I have used the most is actually a vegan chocolate cake. You can check it out right here in the cards. It's gonna come up. Also, all the videos will be linked in the description below so that you can find them very easily. So this vegan chocolate cake is just so moist, so delicious, and so worth your time. I've even had people who liked the vegan version better than the regular version. They didn't even know it was vegan, so try that one out. It's wonderful. Another wonderful vegan cake that turned out absolutely beautiful was my vegan banana cake. Also super moist, super delicious, and because it has banana in it, you don't normally have to put egg in it anyway, so it's a great recipe if you're trying to go vegan or if you know someone who is a vegan but you don't know how to bake vegan. Try this one out. Vegan banana cake. So good. Another cake that is also vegan is my vegan strawberry cake. So this one's a little bit different but also absolutely delicious. You have to do a little bit of substituting, but totally worth it, totally worth your time because it is wonderful, super moist once again. Go try it out. And to accompany all of these cakes, you wouldn't have a wonderful cake without a wonderful buttercream or frosting of some kind. So here is my vegan chocolate buttercream. Go check it out. I'm gonna put it in the cards right here. So delicious, super rich, perfect for pretty much any of those three cakes. Okay, back to baking recipes. So, you've heard a bunch of cakes, but I haven't talked about any other desserts, so I have a couple for you. One of my favorites that is also, it's like a cake, but it's not, a vegan zucchini brownie. I think this is my all-time #1 favorite vegan recipe that I've ever done. It just turned out so delicious that you've got to go try it yourself to really know what I mean. But vegan zucchini brownies, you wouldn't even be able to tell there's zucchini in it, and that's awesome for kids because hide the vegetables, right? Go try it out. Vegan zucchini brownie. Another one that is great for fall or Christmas time or any holidays later in that time of year is a vegan gingerbread man. It's a gingerbread man cookie, and this recipe was surprisingly super easy and it turned out absolutely wonderful. So go try that one out. Vegan gingerbread man. I mean, the kids helped me with it, so it was fun. And last but not least, also a really cool recipe was these vegan meringue pops, which sounds really weird because meringue is made out of egg whites, you know, and it's all fluffy and weird and delicious. But this one's actually made out of aquafaba, which is bean water. So it's the water from a can of beans, either garbanzo or some kind of a white bean that's not super strong. And you whip it and it fluffs up just like egg whites. So it's super cool. And this one you actually can bake it and it turns into like a meringue cookie almost. So that was really fun. The kids helped me with it. Go check that one out. Vegan meringue pops. You can do anything with them. So those are my favorite vegan recipes, but I would love to hear from you guys what your favorite vegan recipes are. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with all of your friends, vegan or not. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great one.